Understanding dropout, more than just quitting. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unpack a term that you might have heard in various contexts: dropout. This word can be quite confusing for English learners because it carries several meanings and is used in different settings. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what dropout means and how to use it. So, let's dive in. A dropout is someone who has not completed a course of study. The most common usage of this term is to describe someone who leaves school or university before they have finished their degree or diploma. But it's not just limited to education. It can also refer to someone who quits a course, training program, or even a competition before it's finished. Education. In the educational context, a dropout is often seen in phrases like high school dropout or college dropout. This refers to students who leave without completing their high school diploma or college degree. Technology. In technology, dropout can have a completely different meaning. It refers to a momentary loss of signal or data. For example, when streaming a video, if the picture disappears for a few seconds, you've experienced a dropout. Society and culture. Sometimes, dropout is used in a broader sense to describe someone who rejects conventional society to live an alternative lifestyle. This person might be referred to as a social dropout. Now let's look at how to use dropout in a sentence. Educational. He's a dropout who left school at 16, but now he's a successful entrepreneur. Technological. We're experiencing dropouts in our internet connection during the storms. Cultural. After years in the corporate world, she became a dropout to travel the world. There are also idioms and expressions that use dropout. Dropout rate. This refers to the percentage of students who do not complete their education. Dropout factory, a derogatory term for schools with high dropout rates. And that's a wrap on the word dropout. Whether it's a student not finishing their education, a blip in technology, or someone stepping out of the mainstream lifestyle, dropout is a versatile term with different shades of meaning. Remember, context is key when you come across this word. I hope this video helps you understand and use dropout confidently in English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in